If you are interested in selling your photos and videos online, FileZilla Client is a very important software, as for transferring your files to websites and work with more flexibility. Hi, these are steps to download and install FileZilla Client. FileZilla is a free and cross-platform FTP and SFTP application. We will need it on our educational journey here. First, open your web browser and type FileZilla Client in the search engine. And click on the first link. This is the official website of FileZilla. This version for Windows. And here in more download options, and in other platforms, you can click on your system edition here, for Mac OS, or Windows or Linux. And click on Download FileZilla Client. You can see FileZilla Client download options here, FileZilla Pro, or FileZilla Client. This is free edition. We will need FTP and SFTP server only, so we will download this free option. Click Download. Then save. Wait to complete the download. After completing the download, click here to go Downloads folder. Right-click on the selected file, then open. Wait a little bit. Click FileZilla to run it. Open it. Then OK. And don't forget to drag FileZilla to Applications folder to find it on Launchpad. FileZilla Client will be with us in our upcoming tutorials. We'll explore how to upload photos and videos to websites for the purpose of selling them. Thanks for watching, and remember to smash that follow and subscribe button, and activate the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you in the next video. Peace.